ETENWOLF sent me this Vortex S7. If you should happen to make a purchase, I will receive commission. Be sure to check in the description for any discount codes that may apply. This is by far the nicest inflator I've ever had, primarily because of its multifunctional use. I can take this camping with me and use it as a power bank. Turn it on, toggle through modes, RV 60, basketballs 8.5, wind is just wind, and 22 for bicycles, which may or may not meet your needs, but regardless, with any of these settings, all you have to do is rotate the dial. It's got a light, it's got a low setting, a higher setting, a strobe setting, and then a flashing setting. It's got rubber feet, so it doesn't vibrate all over the place. Nice, flexible rubber hose. This is a nice hose. It's got a knurled brass fitting that you can screw directly onto your car, truck, or if you choose, you can thread this on. It's nice metal construction. It's got a pressure relief valve here. On this end, it's got a twist lock. Air goes in here, blows out here. Twist locks on. And then you have some additional ball valve, another adapter, and another float filler. It has USB and USB-C. This is a 38,400 milliamp hour battery, which is basically not quite 8 amp hour, 20 volt tool batteries. So you might be wondering, who's this really made for? Well, it's somebody that's on the go. You can keep it in your car and use it just for your tires, or if you're a camper, you like day outings and you want to take a power bank with you, you know, this will recharge your phone, recharge your laptop. It's a lot more than a tire inflator. It's a tire inflator and a battery bank. And it comes with this nice little carrying case. It's a go bag. It comes with a quick reference guide and a decent manual and a certificate of calibration, which the first two you won't need since you just watched my video.